Back in 2013, Andrew Holness, then leader of the opposition, was very clear about his stance on integrity and accountability in public office. He called for Richard Azan, a junior PNP minister, to step down after the Office of the Contractor General found Azan guilty of bypassing proper procedures. Azan had overseen the construction of 10 shops in a market for vendors in his constituency, but the way he went about it violated established rules. Holness declared that this undermined public trust and said it was a dark day for Jamaica. He was adamant that no minister should stay in office after being implicated in corruption. Fast forward to now, Holness finds himself in a similar position, but with the tables turned. The Integrity Commission's report on his financial affairs has raised questions about his own conduct, yet he's not showing the same eagerness to step down. It's ironic. He once held others to a high standard of accountability, but now, faced with his own controversy, he seems reluctant to follow his own principles. The PNP is naturally calling him out on this, saying that if he truly believes in the Holness principle of accountability, he should step aside just like he once demanded of Azan. But so far, Holness hasn't made any moves to resign, sparking criticism of double standards in leadership. It feels like a classic case of do as I say, not as I do, and it's raising eyebrows about how serious our leaders really are about transparency and accountability when it applies to them.